Welcome to our video on luxury travel hacks, how to upgrade your experience without breaking the bank. Are you ready to take your travel adventures to a whole new level? In this video, we will share some insider tips and tricks to help you enjoy a luxurious travel experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway or a solo adventure, these travel hacks will definitely elevate your experience. Let's start with flight hacks. Did you know that you can often get a complimentary upgrade to business or first class by leveraging your airline loyalty program or by simply dressing the part? We'll show you how to maximize your chances of scoring an upgrade without spending a fortune. Additionally, we'll share tips on finding the best deals on premium economy tickets for a more comfortable flying experience. Now, let's move on to accommodation hacks. Luxury doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag. We'll reveal how to find discounted rates for luxury hotels and resorts, negotiate upgrades, and take advantage of loyalty programs. Plus, we'll share alternative accommodation options that offer a unique and memorable experience without sacrificing comfort and style. Indulging in fine dining experiences is another aspect of luxury travel. We'll provide you with tips on how to enjoy gourmet meals and Michelin-starred restaurants without overspending. From lunch specials to early bird menus and local food markets, you'll discover fantastic dining options that won't break the bank. Relaxation and rejuvenation are essential components of a luxurious travel experience. We'll share hacks on how to enjoy spa and wellness facilities without the hefty price tag. Learn about hidden gems, off-peak deals, and discounted packages that will pamper you from head to toe. Congratulations! You are now armed with luxury travel hacks that will elevate your travel experience without draining your bank account. Remember, luxury doesn't always mean spending a fortune. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can enjoy the finer things in life without breaking the bank. Happy travels!